Android phone long screenshot without any stress. For instance, if I open up my Chrome browser, and then in my Chrome browser right here, I try to search for this particular. So in my Chrome browser right here, I decide to take a screenshot of all this right here. You can see from the top to the bottom right here. I decide to take a long scroll screenshot of this. How do we do that? First thing first, you want to make sure you slide in this way on your Android phone. Then you have to make sure you look for screenshot icon right here. However, if you cannot find the screenshot icon right here, just click on here to open more tray slider. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on this add icon. This will open up a lot of tray in the preview menu in your Android phone. Then you want to make sure you look for screenshot and make sure you add it. Once you are done, then you can also scroll down right here and add as many as possible shortcut key into the tray menu on your Android phone. Once you are able to find your screenshot and add it right here, just hit on done. Then you're going to have it right here. Now for you to use the scroll and log, and for you to use the screenshot scrolling or log screenshot effect in your Android phone, just tap on here and then you have scrolling screenshot right here. Just go ahead and click on scrolling screenshot. Boom, and you have it right here. Allow it to load, boom, and everything here is being fully captured just like what you see right here. Then you want to make sure you click on done and you have a very long screenshot that capture the whole page right here. Then go ahead and simply click on here to save this long screenshot into your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.